Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Decor Styles. Guys, are you ready to transform your living spaces into lush green heavens? Look no further. In this captivating video, we delve into the world of artificial grass wall design, whether nature meets modern interior aesthetics. Number 1 is living room greenery. Imagine stepping into your living room and being greeted by a vibrant textured grass wall. We explore how to seamlessly incorporate artificial grass into your home decor. From cozy reading nooks to accent walls, this trend adds a touch of freshness and tranquility. Number 2 is Entryway Elegance. First impressions matter. Learn how to create an inviting entryway with an artificial grass feature wall. Whether it's a vertical garland or a minimalist grass panel, your guest will be wowed by the natural allure. Number 3 is balcony bliss. Turn your balcony or terrace into a mini oasis. We share ideas for grass covered walls that evoke a sense of calm and connect you with the great outdoors. Sip your morning coffee surrounded by greenery. It's the perfect start to any day. Number 4 is floral backdrops. Combine artificial grass with floral accents for a stunning backdrop. Whether you are filming videos, hosting events, or simply adding flair to your home, this fusion of green and blooms is Instagram worthy. Number 5 is maintenance tips. We will also discuss about maintenance. Spoiler alert, no watering required. Yes, say goodbye to mowing and hello to everlasting greenery. So join us on this visual journey as we explore the versatility of artificial grass walls. From minimalist elegance to bold statements, there's a design for every space. Remember guys to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspirations. Thanks for watching.